Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make taco pizza with our pizza balls we made the other day for our freezer. So let's get started. Now this mixture is 1.5 cups of the paste salsa, and I used a big can, and that's why I used 1.5 cups here, because this is actually 2 15-ounce cans. So this mixture we're going to use as a pizza sauce on our taco pizza. Now we've drained our hamburger. Now I want to add my taco seasoning. And our water. If you've noticed, I'm going to roll this out on a mat. My pizza pan is about 12 inches, 11.9 something. So we're going to roll this pizza out to 12 inches. And Maria did say this dough likes to grow. Okay, let's get this in the oven. Our pizza crust has cooked for 8 minutes. Now we're going to put our sauce that we made on it. And this is the refried beans and the salsa. We are just going to spread this down as a base. You can probably put whatever you want as far as an amount. Put on as much as you want. We're going to put some of our taco meat on it. Now we'll put some cheese on. On off to the oven we go. Our pizza is done. We're gonna put some toppings on. Start off with some lettuce. Chips. There's our pizza. Now we're going to try it. Oh, that's good. I like the crust too. That's the most important part. And you can see it's a good golden brown, and it's done all the way through. So we par baked it for 8 minutes and then put the toppings on our pizza and then cooked it for another 16 minutes, and it's perfect. Well, we successfully made pizza today. Thank you for stopping by, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.